when the wife starts posting selfies and the husband changes his profile pic to the kids. Going to send her a I'm here if you want to talk text. Hey bro, look at my elixir collector. Are you going to sleep? Yes I am. Now shut up. How do we know the human body is 70% water? Today marks the 10-year anniversary of the time I fell off the swings at a park and some beat-ass kid said, "What season is it?" Fall. I pray that he's bed every single day. The burglar who just broke into my apartment. Me baiting in the dark. Okay, he has a very valid point. Ghosts can't harm the living if they could. If they could, there would probably be only a handful of Caucasians left in this world. Life could be worse. Milk could have pulp. Simply pure. H2O for you. Bro posted his Fortnite skin on a slide before his newborn. Fish fillet plus cookies and cream ice cream. It's the Mississippi thing. Babe, have you seen my eyelashes? Me. Dad is back from his Discord session and seen that you didn't give me pics. Daddy is angry with you. Snap me one right now before I come over there and punish my little kitten. Are those eyebrows or toes? I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to save money. Versus you only live once. Me at a bar celebrating my 18th birthday. The bartender who's been serving me for years. Fashion silver necklace. I made Liesel from plastic waste. United States, where are you? Me, turns off fan so it's easier to hear others. Everyone else in the helicopter. You must be at least 6 feet 2 inches, work out, have a nice car, have strong shoulders, have a career and a beard. Today I have consumed 44 Tic Tacs. They taste better when you share them with friends. I don't have friends. She gets cold where I live, so no. Ever heard of a blanket? No, of course not, we don't have those up north. That's sad. I could send you one. Can you also send foods? I was planned. I was a surprise. A bonus baby. I would be surprised too if I suddenly gave birth to Jack Black. When you get a 3% raise but inflation is 9.1%. How are we supposed to sample this? And why is she wearing gloves? Taking for my sunburn, it doesn't cure it but it keeps the sheets off my legs. How to win Slavic poker. Blight. Parents, or I will shove a lampshade up here and use it to funnel in hot sauce. Enough with the Ken Blockshi. He was an average at best driver. It's sad but you're all acting like he was the messiah. No wonder you don't have custody of your daughter. You have stated that you believe that there could be an infinite number of parallel universes. Does that mean there is a universe out there where I'm smarter than you? Yes. And also a universe where you're funny. What's the most awkward date you'll ever been on? He took me to his parents' favorite spot. We saw his mom there feeding strawberries to another man. He was about to confront her but his dad came out the bathroom and sat with the man. He grabbed the man's hand. That was the night he learned his parents like to tag team other men. Sarah Connor fell in love with a dude who stole a homeless man's smelly old pants and wore them without any underwear on. Time for your annual reminder that according to A Christmas Carol, Bob Cratchit makes 15 shillings a week. Adjusted for inflation, that's $530.27 per week, $27,574 per year, or $13.50 per hour. Most Americans on minimum wage earn less than a dent. An allegory for destitution. I'm here for you. Thanks. I'm going through a tough time so it means a lot. And sorry I lost all my contacts. Who is this? This is your Uber driver. I'm here to pick you up. Just how are you able to type with your head up your like that? Same way you're able to read it, I suppose. When you just got a free candy bar and a shout out from the Amber Alert on the same day. That's me. Japan has made a old speech jammer that can stop people from talking. If you think about it, any that. My GF. under the table, her whole family looking through the glass table. The eye of a grey whale. My Honda, not be a marine biologist. This song sounds like liver failure. Ayo, these Pakistani dramas are running wild. Why is she so happy reading that? You chose massive D. I choose scissors. Scissors win. Orlando karate teacher sent photos to 11-year-old boy in her class. His reply, okay, I don't care. Why is my son so popular with our 4 dogs? So odd. Is your son in the pan? Me after getting Happy New Year messages only from Domino's and some random supermarket. New York approves posting of human bodies. She looks like a Scooby-Doo villain that needs to be unmasked. I love DP. Some angry guy with road rage just yelled out his window, I'm gonna make your life a living hell. I yelled back, thanks, but I'm not looking for a relationship right now. Obama, chocolate pistachio. Your Netflix binge watching makes climate change worse, say experts. The emissions generated by watching 30 minutes of Netflix is the same as driving almost 4 miles. Cool to guilt trip ordinary people for every tiny thing that might spark joy, while oil execs dip their hands in big barrels of dinosaur juice every time they have a wink. Hey, do you have any I could use? I really need one for tonight. Dad, what the F? Do you realize who you just texted? Yeah, I know that I texted you, son. And I also know that you have some. I need one, is that okay? I don't want to make the same mistake again. Is the mistake me? Innocent people, guilty people. Oh, see, it's the cops. What's the best comeback to an unwanted D-pic? I have a friend who made a collage of all the unsolicited D-pics. She would then add the new picture to the collage and send it to the man saying, welcome to the hive. I have no clue what a sieve is. This dude. Oh, the whole bowl. Tonight's main story. My outfit looks like more at 11. This looks like a human version of Mark Zuckerberg. Birds aren't real. Wake up, California. Bird equals government surveillance drone. China now has stealth bird drones to spy on its people. Breaking news. Bruised and slurring Jeremy Renner posts video from his ICU bed as his sister gives him. Are you religious? I would like to introduce you to my religion. What's your religion? I'm interested. What the F is a deviled egg? You take a dozen eggs, then boil them, cut them in half, scoop the yolks into a bowl, add some seasoning, mayo, coke, scoop it back into the egg, then sprinkle paprika or some on top. Wham bam, Afghanistan. Deviled eggs. Let's keep in touch. My best friend's grandma made these before she passed away to give out at her funeral. What an icon.